Hey, I talked about that one-page business plan. It is very, very significant that we now don't get distracted and don't get caught up in what's going on around us. Now is the time to bring forth that's within you. The one-page business plan that I just did a video on is just the surface of what it's about and what we need right now. The time is now to build. The one-page business plan will bring forth that idea. And it talked about the name of your business. In the other videos, we talk about the structure of your business. But now we're talking about bringing that business to fruition. So the next phase of it is your vision, your mission, your target market group, your value proposition, your revenue streams. How you going to make the money? And key matrix. Don't let those big terminologies frighten you. We women are builders. We do it all the time. And in crisis, that's when we shine the most. And the thing is now to get up off our comfort zone. Listen, it's time to get ready and get a place at the table. It's not the time to shy away. You got family members, or go to the community outreach center and throw that business idea out, because we got to fight. We demand a seat at the table. But the thing is, you got to show them that you have the ability, you have the courage, you have the tenacity, you have the fight. I'm coming out of my comfort zone. I always been in business. And the thing is, you don't have to stay the same. Who said you have to continue doing what you're doing and you don't have to keep asking for freaking crumbs? There's greatness within you. Roar! Go out there and get what you want. Sit down, visualize, dream, and demand increase. That's what you're doing. Increase your viability in this world. You have a place. Break out that china and use that china, because it's time. We're not going to settle for no any longer. And we're not going to let people keep on dictating on what kind of crumbs. You bring out that china and celebrate your small wins, because that's how it's done. Crises bring out the best of who you are. Ask God for wisdom, tenacity, and courage, and set it on blaze. The best is yet to come. Thank you for participating and listening to me through my channel, Arise Podcast, The Science of Her. And with science, there is always her hypothesis. How to make it new, how to make it visible, how to make it viable, and the time is now. Thank you.